Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Sulpice, Quebec, is a small picturesque town located along the north shore of the St. Lawrence River. It's a peaceful place with a rich history and beautiful natural surroundings that make it a perfect spot to explore. Saint-Sulpice was founded in the late 17th century, making it one of the older settlements in the region. The town is named after the Sulpician order, a group of priests who played a significant role in the early development of New France, which is now Quebec. Over the centuries, Saint-Sulpice has maintained its rural charm, with agriculture being a key part of the local economy. As you wander through the town, you'll notice the stunning views of the St. Lawrence River. This mighty river has always been central to life here, providing both a means of transportation and a source of natural beauty. The town's waterfront is a great place to relax and take in the scenery, whether you're watching the boats go by or enjoying a peaceful walk. Saint-Sulpice is also known for its rich soil, which supports a variety of crops, from corn to vegetables. The farming community here is strong, and you might even come across local markets where you can taste some of the fresh produce. One of the town's most notable landmarks is the Saint-Sulpice Church, which dates back to the early 18th century. This historic church is a beautiful example of Quebec's religious architecture and stands as a reminder of the town's deep-rooted heritage. Whether you're here to enjoy the river views, learn about the history, or simply soak up the quiet atmosphere, Saint-Sulpice offers a charming escape from the hustle and bustle of city life.
watching.